hit this world like thunder, second born believing strong. Red hair blazing, boots stomping, always marching on. Got a spark that shakes the rafters, got a heart that cuts in deep. She'll call you out in half a second, love you harder when you're weak. Yeah, she's fire in a small frame, attitude in every stride. A wild streak with a purpose and a soul she doesn't hide. And when she gets to running, Lord, she's hard to slow. But when that temper hits, you best give that girl some room to blow. She's my red-headed wildfire, burning wild and free. Sweet when she's smiling, fierce as she can be. She'll love you with her whole heart, or scorch you with her flame. A tender touch, a storm untamed. Yeah, that red-headed wildfire means everything to me. She'll climb right in my pickup, windows down and music loud, singing every word like she's trying to make me proud. But cross her line too quickly, you'll feel that lightning strike. She'll set you straight with honesty, then hug you just as tight. She's got grit from God above, and that fearless Texas soul. A southern storm of kindness and a fire she can't control. And when she laughs out loud, boy, the room just comes alive. But when her storms roll in, you'll swear the whole world took a dive. She's my red-headed wildfire, burning wild and free. Sweet when she's smiling, fierce as she can be. She'll love you with her whole heart, or scorch you with her flame. A tender touch, the storm untamed. Yeah, that red-headed wildfire means everything to me. I pray she keeps that fire, never tones her spirit down, keeps chasing dreams with courage while her boots hold Texas ground. And I'll be standing with her every mountain, every mile, cheering on my wild girl with that fearless fire smile. She's my red-headed wildfire, burning wild and free. Sweet when she's smiling, fierce as she can be. She'll love you with her whole heart, or scorch you with her flame. A tender touch, a storm untamed. Yeah, that red-headed wildfire means everything to me.